All right, I am getting ready for a mail merge. I have all of my classes on this sheet and I need to split these names. So I'm going to add a column. I'm going to highlight this entire column. I'll go to data, split text. It's should be detected by a space and it just split it. So this is first name. Now this is last name. So now without having to do anything, it's already ready for me. Now for the tags, only want the last initials. So I'm going to add another column and I'm going to do equals left, add a parenthesis, and I want my last name, comma 1, and that will give me just that initial. So I didn't have to do anything. I'll drag and drop that. And again, for Google Sheets, a lot of times it's a good idea to copy and then do Control-Shift-V, so it's just the data without a formula. Okay, so now to get ready for a mail merge, I'm going to copy all of this into an Excel sheet because that's how Word communicates. So I copy all of that into an Excel sheet and I need to save it so that Word can find it. Okay, so all of my data is here. I'm going to do File, Save As. Let's do Locker Tag, Excel. So I'll just go to my downloads, save. Now I'll open up Word, and I'm going to go over to Mailings, Start Mail Merge. The wizard helps us out. We're going to do a label, Start Document. Label options, we're going to want the half size, not the 30 per page, half, and we want the height to be 5.5. So make sure you check that. Okay. Next is recipients. We're going to browse, go back to those downloads, locker tags. Yes, my first row has headers, so okay. It shows you all of your information right here. Okay. Now arrange the labels. So to get our labels started, let's add some space at the top. We're going to do more items. I would make sure in database fields, I would like student first name. I would like the last initial, the instrument, and the class. And then that's all I want. So now I need to make sure there's a space in between the first and last name. I'm going to go over, add a dot, a period, do a little bit of enter, and now I'm just arranging the labels. So right here, I'm going to get a image. I've got the image I want. I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to make this smaller. And now if I go over to the Home tab over here, top left, now I can arrange and make my labels pretty. So let's highlight. I would like a different font. Let's go Georgia. I want it to be centered. And I don't actually need that to be on the front, so I'm going to put it over there. You're going to want to make this a little bit narrow so that when you fold it on the locker, it's all good. Let's bold that name and last initial. Make it a little bit bigger. Instrument, maybe a little bigger. The orchestra class doesn't need to be big. And maybe italicize the instrument. All right, so now I'm going to do update all labels. And now it has put it for the next record. I'm going to click preview labels. And that's what my locker tags will look like. If you like it, you do complete the mail merge. Otherwise, you can always go back and say, oh, I want it a little bit bigger, whatever you were hoping for. Maybe you want that bigger. And then you'll always do update all labels, preview. Now it's really great. I like that a lot. So you can always go back to change it. You must do update all labels. And now I'm going to do complete the merge down here. Edit individual labels, all. And now, if there were any spelling errors, I can always go back through and do it, and then you'll just go print those and you have locker tags or labels.